In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create numbered lists on WhatsApp Web. If you want your messages to look cleaner and more organized, using a numbered list is a simple and effective option. This is especially useful when you're sharing instructions, outlining steps, listing priorities, or sending information that needs to be read in a clear order. On WhatsApp Web, the process is very straightforward once you know how line breaks work. First, open WhatsApp Web and go to the chat where you want to send the list. Make sure your cursor is active in the message box because everything will be typed into a single message before you send it. This is important since pressing the wrong key too early can send the message before your list is complete. To begin the list, start the first line by typing 1, followed by a space. After that, type your first item. This creates the first numbered entry and sets up the structure for the rest of the list. Keep the wording short and clear, so each item is easy to read. When you're ready to move to the next line, do not press enter by itself, because that will send the message right away. Instead, press shift and enter at the same time. This creates a new line inside the same message, allowing you to continue building the list without sending it yet. On the next line, type 2, followed by a space and then enter your second item. At this point, you'll start to see the pattern. Each new item goes on its own line, beginning with the next number, a period, and a space before the text. This keeps the formatting consistent and makes the list easier for the other person to follow. Continue the same way for any additional items. After each one, use shift and enter to go down to the next line without sending the message, then type the next number and your next point. Take a quick moment to review the list before sending it, just to make sure the numbering is correct and everything appears in the order you want. Once your list is complete, simply press enter to send the message. Your numbered list will appear in the chat as one neatly formatted message, making it much more readable than sending each item separately. And that's it. That's how to create numbered lists on WhatsApp Web quickly and clearly.